Hi guys, if you want to recover unsaved notepad file in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. For that, first of all open the notepad. Now on the notepad, simply click on the settings icon and then scroll down. Now under the opening notepad section here, you will see this option when notepad starts. Simply expand it. And here make sure you select this option, continue previous session. Once you select this option, from now on, you will be still able to access that unsaved notepad file. So let's check it out. For that, let's close it. Now simply open the notepad. Here it is. And open a new window. And let's try to write something. You can see anything. And now I'm not going to save this notepad file and I will simply close the notepad. You can see I have closed the notepad without saving the file. Now let's try to access the notepad. Now here you can see I'm still able to see and access the unsaved notepad file from the previous session. Now let's see the second method. If you want to find the unsaved notepad file in Windows 11, then follow this method. So for that, first of all, right click on the start menu and then click on run. Now here type %appdata % and then click on OK. Now the AppData folder will appear. Here you have to simply click on this view option and then go to source section and then simply enable the hidden items. Simply check it. And once the hidden item is enabled, let's check it out. You can see hidden items are enabled now. Once the hidden items are enabled, now simply go to this search box here and type .txt and press enter. And now here all the notepad files will appear, and from here you can easily find your unsaved notepad file. Once you find the unsaved notepad file you were looking for the example, in my case, I was looking for this file here. So I will simply click on it. And now you can see I'm able to access the unsaved notepad file. And now I can save it wherever I want. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily recover unsaved notepad file in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.